Today we have a 2009 Nissan Altima. We're about to do the headlights. I do not like it. You could just, sand it down and spray it with clear coat, but I'm not trying to do that. And I want it blacked out with the chrome on there, whatever. We're just gonna change the headlight because this is not it. You see that? Both of them dusty looking. Look at that. Look at that. Fogged out. So I got these black ones. Let me show you. Right here. Nothing crazy. It's just a little blacked out. You see? Blacked out over here. Here's still chrome. Here's still orange. Alright? So this is much clearer. It's gonna be a better look. As you see, these are gray, dark gray. So it's dark gray over here. It's not bad, but you could definitely sand this down and just clear coat it, do the cheaper way. But I just got headlights. They wasn't even $100, so I'm like, alright, let me do that. So these cars, the bumper has to come off. That's what happens with these Nissan Altima Maximas. The bumper has to come off to change the headlight. Alright? Headlamp, whatever you want to call it. So let's get to it. I already put it up on ramps, as you see. You can put it up on a jack, however you want. First things first, move these clips off. Remove this one, this right here. Okay, so you get the point. You have to remove this, and one here, and one over there. Oh yeah, there's one right here. All right. Okay, so you remove those clips on top. Now we have to go downstairs and see if there's any bolts or screws that gotta be taken off. As you see, there's a screw right there. There's a screw over there. And it's supposed to be a splash shield over here, but there's not one. If you have one here, it should be like maybe 10s here, or screws. And the other side, same thing, but this side has 10 mil on both sides. So let's get a 10 mil and a screw and chop with the fender liner back. If you have fog lights, make sure you remove the connector off it first, because you're not trying to pull it off and the wire is still on there. Okay, so as you see, this does not have fog lights, but it's fog light ready. You see the plug? So if you decide to put fog lights in here, all you have to do is get the fog light, take this out, put the fog light there, and just plug it in. There's your fog light. All right. Okay. There's the screw. Okay, that's off. This one. Okay, now you can put the fender liner back. Oh yeah, there's one more over here. Didn't see this one. All right, now this thing can get pushed back when you're ready. It's the other side, 10 mil. 1, 2. Sometimes 3 will be over here. Okay, which I don't have. All right, now let's move the fender liner back, and there's another 10. Like so. Back. There's a 10 mil right there. You can see it's right here. Take that off. And the other side, same thing. All right, let's remove the bumper. Bumper is removed, so let's remove the harness that's on here. So pop that off. Same thing on this side. Okay. All right. Take this off here. All right. Same thing with this side. It's already off though. Okay, now let's move these 10s here on top. There's one down here. Is there one? Nope, there's none here. There's one here. There's one up top over here. If you want, you could disconnect the battery so you don't have to. There's one right here. You don't have to worry about any power anywhere. If you want, optional, take this off right here. Okay, now set the headlight slowly. Pop this up over here. Wiggle it out. This connectors over here. You could twist them off, or you just disconnect the connectors. I'm gonna just twist them off, so all I gotta do is get the other headlight and just twist everything back, since everything matches. Okay, so twist everything off, headlight, bowls, everything. Okay. Okay, twist the top, final one right here, off. All right. Old one. Anything you have to swap over is this bottom thing. This is Torx over here. 1, 2, and put in the new one. The Torx is a T20. All right, if you didn't know. New one right here. I like taking off the plastic last, so let's take these out the way like this. Take this papers off here. Shit. Okay, that was the only one that was easy to peel off. The rest was stupid. All right, now let's twist everything back. Easy as that. Okay, so this one I have to take off the damn connector because I can dumb. Okay, let's put the headlight on, take it off, twist it on. Okay, now let's twist the top on here. Can you see? Twisting the top on. Twist on. Take the top one right here. Twist it. Now let's put the connectors back. Okay, before you screw everything back, make sure test the light, make sure everything works. Everything works. Now let's put everything, screw everything back together. harness back in this slot here. Let's put the rest. All right, the harness is back. Now we gotta do the other side. Same thing as the driver's side. So I'm not even gonna talk. I'm gonna just do it. It's the same thing, literally. Don't forget the T20s. Take them off. Put in the new one. Okay, now we're about to reinstall the bumper. I'm gonna still keep this plastic on a little bit. I'll put it higher. If I put something like this, and I'm gonna take it off when I'm ready. Make sure you check the lights. Bumper's on. Now let's put the clips back, the two side screws, the bottom screws, and that's it. Okay, now take this off. Ooh-wee! Look at that. You see the difference? Look at that. You see the big difference? Clean. Look at this side. Now if you really want to customize these, you could put LED here, like switchbacks, make it white. Then when the signal is orange, you can't do that here because it's already orange. You could put the LEDs in there, HIDs, whatever you please. Okay, as you see, it's black, not gray. Match with the car, as you see. You see that? Big difference. Huge difference. As you see, huge difference than before. You could actually see in there now instead of it being yellow. Alright, so helped you out. Give me a like and subscribe. Later.